What exactly is keyword research? The foundation for SEO is keyword research. SEO is never to be done blindly for any topic that you like or may be relevant to your business. Let's say in my case, SEOsanjay.com. There are several topics for which I would want to rank on top. SEO training, SEO course, SEO classes, SEO institute, digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing classes. You can never rank on top for a group of keywords. You should always rank on top for individual keywords. So SEO is always done for individual keywords. So one keyword, let's say SEO training, SEO course, SEO classes, SEO institute. All the four may mean the same, but for search engine they are different words. You can rank on top for all those four keywords, but not in a group, individually, one by one. Now, which keyword is good among these four? Or maybe some other keyword is better than all these four. That kind of research is called as keyword research. Some people try to choose generic keywords. Example, let's say the word mobile. So it's a very layman guess that a lot of people may be searching, and obviously it will be because it's a very generic keyword. But will it be easy to rank on top? That's also a question. When millions and billions of pages are doing SEO for the same topic, it will take a lot of time and lot of hard work to get your pages on the top. So choose such a keyword which has got good search volume. At the same time, it must have less competition. That combination of keywords must be chosen for SEO. Choose not one, but choose multiple keywords. One by one will do, target each of the keywords for SEO. So keyword is nothing but the query. It can be single word, it can be multiple words, it can be phrase. So every keyword will have a competition and will have particular number of searches. We want the combination of keywords which have got good number of searches and less competition, less fight to rank on top. So that is what is called as keyword research. Now, very quickly we'll write first the introduction. The process of choosing keywords is called as keyword research. Each keyword must satisfy the following point. What is that? Least competition, good search volume, at the same time least number of results in Google. So number of pages based on that topic should also be less. That means the participants for that keyword for SEO is very less. Competition. When I type any query, say the word mobile. So what is this? This is the number of web pages based on mobile. This is not the number of searches. This is the number of web pages which are based on the word mobile. So which is units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 566 crore plus web pages are there on mobile. This is a rough figure, maybe slightly less or more. But how many of them are doing SEO in order to rank on top? Not everybody does it. Maybe only 25% of them, maybe only 50% of them, or could be 75% of them are trying to rank on top. My keyword may be Android mobile, but somewhere the word mobile has come, so I will also be there in these results, but I may not be targeting the word mobile. So I want to know among this list how many of them are in the race to rank on top. That is what is called as the competition. So it will show as in the low, medium or high. Low means 0.25, medium means 0.5, high means 0.75. That should be taken as a percentage of the results, by which we'll get the figure called as competitors. Where will we get this figure? We'll be getting this figure shortly in a tool provided by Google, keyword research tool. So here the number of competitors is equals to competition into number of results in Google. Now take the competition value as 0.25 for low, 0.5 for medium and 0.75 for high. Why? Because based upon the number of competitors only we can decide in how much time frame we could rank on top. So what we require is this competition figure, which we'll get it shortly. Number of results in Google, you type the keyword, you'll get it. The number of competitors and expected time to rank on top. So depending upon the number of competitors, we can roughly estimate in how much time frame we could get our page on the top for the respective keyword. If it is 10 crore to 100 crore, I'm not saying number of results in Google, I'm saying number of competitors, which is fraction of that, and that fraction we'll get to know only once we know the competition value. So if the number of competitors is between 10 crore to 100 crore, it will take 3 to 20 years to rank on top, which is a huge time. So there's no point in doing SEO for these kind of keywords which have got heavy competitors. They are working in a team and they have been working since a very long time, and not one, there are several. And you start now as an individual and you feel that you'll be able to beat that big bunch of group who have already started the journey earlier, then it is too optimistic, it is overconfidence. Better we not choose such topics at all for SEO. The next level is 1 crore to 10 crore, which takes 1 to 3 years to rank on top. 10 lakh to 1 crore, 3 to 12 months. 1 lakh to 10 lakh, 1 to 3 months. Few thousands, few weeks. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this. This is very important for us. So only depending upon the number of competitors. So try to choose the keywords which fall into this category. If you want to see instant results for your pages, choose the keywords which are having number of competitors less than 10 lakh. How much less, that much better. And lot of keyword samples I'll show you which are into that category. Now what we are left out with is to find out the competition value for the keyword. Then the missing element is filled. Then we'll be able to know like whether the keyword is good or bad. Now to find this, you will have to go to the AdWords Keyword Planner tool provided by Google. So log into using Gmail account. What is this AdWords? It is an SEM tool. So if you want to display ads in Google search engine, or you may want to display ads into other websites, or maybe Gmail or YouTube, then you can do that using AdWords. But we are not logging AdWords for that marketing. We are logging AdWords for one particular tool available there, which is called as Keyword Planner tool. That Keyword Planner tool will give you the range of how many people are searching on an average every month, along with the competition. Those two values are important for us. That's why we are going to this tool. So I go into adwords.google.com. First time when you are logging in, it may ask you to fill the details, business details. So just fill the basic details of the business, even dummy details will do. At the bottom, if you scroll down, you will find the skip link. So click on skip, then it will lead you to this page. Because I've already gone through that process, I'm getting this screen. But in the first time when you do it, it will ask you for your company details. Just fill dummy details, and at the bottom, the next step, click on skip. If you are stuck anywhere, let me know. You already have my number. You can send me the screenshot. I'll be able to help you out. Under Tools, click on Keyword Planner. So log in at adwords.google.com using Gmail account, and under Tools, click on Keyword Planner. So this is where I have Keyword Planner. Click on Discover New Keywords and type all the topics for which you have decided to do SEO, or which are your favorite topic. Now here it is only a guesswork. Maybe you like food recipe and you can search here for how to make pongal, how to make biryani. Maybe your favorite category is sports and you may want to see for IPL or maybe the World Cup schedule how the searches are going on. So what and all are your favorite topics? Guess that for what people may be searching and test in this tool. Let us say that randomly one keyword mobile is what I feel that a lot of people may be searching. And then maybe a lot of people are searching for PNR status. See, this is how your brain has to be tuned. You need to think out of the box. Mobile is a generic category which anybody can think, and a general keyword will have lot of pages. It will be difficult to rank on top. But PNR status is a localized keyword. So I am not competing with the world, I am competing only with the Indians. And only limited branded sites are there in this IRCTC. But the number of searches are increasing because of the growth of population, because of more traveling, train being an affordable travel. So likewise, maybe the searches are higher. It is only a guess. Only the tool will tell us shortly whether really this keyword is good or bad. So type all the topics that you can think of, separated by comma. Click on Get Results. Though we have entered only 2 keywords, but Google has suggested us a lot of keywords which are closely related. Along each keyword, you are able to see the competition. I told you avoid the keywords which are with high competition. We need to choose low competitive keyword that has got less number of results in Google. You can even download the keyword ideas and then choose your keywords. If you have decided to do 2 months of SEO, 1 month only do keyword research. That much of importance is given to this step. because I told you this is the foundation. If your keyword selection is good, with the least efforts in SEO also you'll rank on top. But your keyword research is bad, you will struggle to rank on top. The movement will be very, very slow. It will be very, very viscous. So spend time on keyword research rather than spending more time on SEO. And this is an interesting thing, because by tomorrow you'll realize that there are a lot of such treasury topics, secret topics, where hardly anybody is doing SEO, but there's good search volume. Some sample keywords I'll show you. Such kind of topics if you do for SEO, then with least hard work, in a smart way, you'll be able to make very good income. Now, these are all generic keywords. So we are going step by step. Let's say the word mobile. Competition is high. This is a bidding price and all that. We'll leave this later. Just only worry about the competition and average monthly searches. So search volume is like 50 lakh. Here also it is 50 lakh. But though the 50 lakh people are searching, but how many people click the first result, second result, third result also we will see. Okay. So the word mobile has got 50 lakh searches. The word PNR status has also got 50 lakh searches. The difference being this is highly competitive keyword, this is low. So what did we plan for? We have to choose the keywords which has got least competition. It must have good search volume and least number of results in Google. So what I'm doing, I'm typing these keywords in Google to find out how many results are there. So the word mobile, we have already discussed, has got 577 crore results. 577 crore into 0.75, more than 400 crore web pages are in the fight to rank on top. Imagine there is a worldwide entrance exam. World's population is 600 crore. Worldwide there is an entrance exam and you have to rank on top in this entrance exam. It is like an impossible case to target this keyword for SEO, guys. I agree to the point that for this keyword, if you rank on top, then your site can compete with Flipkart, Amazon and all that, which are worth 1 lakh crore, 2 lakh crore, 3 lakh crore. Your site valuation will also be like that if you rank on top. But is it easy to rank on top? It is almost impossible to rank on top because of heavy competition. More business means competition will be high. So there's no point in doing SEO for this. It will take our entire life. I've already shown you here. If it is 400 crore results, how much time would it take to rank on top? More than 20 years. And after more than 20 years, you will reach a point what these sites are there today. By then, they would have already doubled their marks. So you'll only be chasing them, but never overtake them. So please do not do SEO for such topics. Generic keywords, common keywords are flop keywords for SEO. Those big e-commerce giants have got set of employees, 100, 200 employees, day in and day out they are doing SEO. They have been doing since several years. We can't fight with them. So better drop. But then your favorite category may be mobile. Mobile as such may be bad, but within mobile lot of subtopics are there which may be good. Upcoming mobiles, Samsung Galaxy S12 buy for low price, compare price of Samsung Galaxy S12, top 10 Android mobiles under 20,000 rupees. These are the keywords which are easy to rank on top. Always remember, longer the keyword, faster you can perform on the top. This is one of the golden rules in SEO. So quickly write on this point. Alright, so here the word mobile, and now we'll see PNR status, how good this keyword could be. 3 crore 58 lakh results only. Where is 577 crore and where is 3 crore? Not only that, the search volume is same for both of them. Remember this. 50 lakh people are searching for PNR status and 50 lakh people are searching even for mobile. But then the number of results are like ground and sky. That much of deviation you'll find. And even the competition for PNR is lower and for mobile is higher. So by all metric, it looks like PNR status is a fantastic keyword. 25% of this is roughly 1 crore. So 1 crore results when you have 1 to 3 years of hard work, let's say 2 years of hard work. You do it, and if your page ranks in the top 3 for the word PNR status, imagine 50 lakh people are going to visit your site every month, means you will be able to make easily 2-3 lakh per month. 30-40 lakh of income every year only from Google Ads, nothing else. Isn't it a fantastic topic? Big question. If really this topic is so good, then why is that I am not maintaining a website on this topic? It's not that today I discovered this keyword. Since several years I have been testing it. But I did not even think about starting with this keyword, even though the stats look very promising. There's a logic behind it. There's a game behind it. And you can clearly see what the game is. Google himself is asking to enter your 10-digit PNR number and click on check status. So even though you may be ranking on top, hardly people will be clicking your result in case you get the solution here itself. So don't choose such topics where the answers are direct in nature. Even if someone is clicking here, he'll get to know the status. Why will he click the second result? Why will he click the third result? So if you have to rank on top, you have to rank in the first place, and don't expect all of them to click, because most of them, 80-90% people will use this box. This is a sandbox. So don't choose such topics where the answers are direct in nature. The answers should be research oriented. I'll give you one more keyword which is even more worst than this. The search volume is very high, but where Google himself is giving the answer, why would anyone click even on this first result? Every second there are thousands of searches happening for it. Lakhs of searches. But the keyword isn't good because of this behavior of the Google. So test your keyword in this way. There is another point in the keyword research which is not given in the notes, but it has to be logical, understood. It is through your common sense, that never choose a keyword where the behavior of the person is that he's in a hurry. PNR status means he's in a hurry burry. Just enter the number, get the status and exit. So the first result itself is like a dead end. But let us take another keyword, birthday wishes. So people click the first result, second result, third result, birthday wishes, birthday quotations. They read through the quotations, have lot of patience, spend lot of time. Even though the first result may be having good quotations, their expectations will be more with the second, third, fourth result. The behavior of the person is like this. For such topics, new tab, like this it has to be. So even though you are ranking little lower, you will still get lot of people visiting your website. Likewise, inspirational quotes or wishes for girlfriend, Valentine's Day quotes, lot of patience. Every result in the first page they'll click. Baby names, amazing keyword for SEO. The behavior of the person is as such that he will even go to the second, third, fourth page of Google for baby names. Why? One such unique, rare name he wants for his child, boy or girl. Deep meaning, never heard of. The husband will search, the wife will search. So both of them will have a lot of patience and go into the deeper pages of Google. Though you're ranking somewhere here also, people will be coming to your site. So imagine you yourself as a visitor, and would you have so much of patience to go deeper into the search results? Ask this question. Answer is yes, go for that keyword. Then we don't require a hard first rank. Even top 3, top 5 can give us a lot of business. So like this, in a general way, if you think, you will not find even a single good keyword. I told you long keywords is a key to success in SEO. That's a golden rule. Choose keyword which has got maximum number of words. Why is that so? Let me show you an example. Let's say the word coats. In order to rank on top for this keyword, I have to beat 247 crore web pages. Where within this it is inspirational quotes, Gandhiji quotes, Nehruji quotes, then motivational quotes, emotional quotes, Valentine's Day quotes. Everybody have to beat. So it's like an impossible task. But if I add one keyword here, I go with the subtopic, just one word I have added and 90% results are out. Only 2 crore 84 lakh. 284 crore. And for quotes, how much did we have? 247 crore. There is some mistake here. It shows 284 crore, but generally when you add more and more words, maybe after some time you have to delete the cache memory and check it. The number of results will fall down by 90%. Because now when you have typed inspirational quotes, your competition is only with the pages which are based on inspirational quotes, no emotional quotes, no Valentine's Day quotes, no Gandhiji quotes and all. But this is not the end. I told you add as many words as possible. Only 52 lakh. 99% results are out. The search volume has reduced by 50%. For inspirational quotes, how many searches are there? For Vivekananda inspirational quotes, it is only 50% of it. But the number of results are down to 99%. So this is a much better keyword compared to the previous one. Likewise, you need to dig deeper and find out if there is any keyword even better than this. Keyword research will take time. And this is the only place where we have to spend time. Rest of everything is only labor work, no skills required. In SEO, only one skill required, choosing appropriate keywords. Rest of the work, even a 10th class kid can do it. But this is little logical mind, little sharp mind, little out of the way thinking, little innovative thinking is involved. And going forward in few days, you will realize how keyword research can be very important and how some sites are just minting money with hardly any SEO in their site. So this is only 1 crore 23 lakh compared to 280 crore results for inspirational quotes. So go for subtopics. You may argue on the point that long keywords will have less searches. I agree. But if you think there are a lot of long keywords, 99% of the cases your point is right. Long keywords will have less searches. But there are still 1% case wherein a lengthy keyword will still have a high search volume. And the keyword can be as lengthy as top 7 wonders of the world, or just 7 wonders of the world. 5-word keyword, but very good search volume. Of course, not in lakhs, it is in thousands. But such a lengthy keyword with 1000 search volume, you will rarely find it. Like this, it is better to choose 100 keywords altogether, get lakhs of traffic rather than choosing a single keyword with lakhs of searches. So better target multiple keywords together, we can get huge traffic rather than targeting a single keyword with high search volume if it is a generic keyword. Interview frequently asked questions and answers is a 6-word keyword but with very good search volume. And longer keyword, faster we can rank on top. This rule is evergreen rule in SEO right from the day one, forever in future. Choose lengthy keywords. Again and again I remind this point. Now, out of the box thinking. If you are aiming to rank on top and do wonderful business in SEO within a span of 3 months, you got to have next level thinking. Think about such lengthy keywords where the number of pages should be very less because information is not possible on those keywords. Now understand each of my word, very important here. You need to choose such kind of topics in SEO where the topics do not exist in reality. If the topic do not exist in reality, the number of people searching should also be less. But no, the number of searches will be there. It won't be in lakhs, it will be in few hundreds and thousands. But if pages are not there on that topic, you can get on the top rank very quickly. But looks like a very absurd combination. Sir, how is it possible that any keyword which does not exist in reality but searches are there for it? Let me give you an example. Do we have eighth wonder? We do not have it. So what to write in eighth wonder? People are there who are searching. You can give Char Minar as eighth wonder. There is nobody to question you. Likewise, we have only 9 planets, but people are there who want to know what is the 10th planet. You can give your own name for 10th planet. Who is there to question you? The information what you have put may be wrong. Search engines don't bother about it. They only bother about SEO. Information what we are putting may be right or may be wrong. That doesn't matter in SEO. Search engines cannot make out that. And first of all, for this topic, anything you write is right because this topic do not exist in reality. But searches are happening. That is important. Whether topic is there or not is secondary. We'll write some bogus thing. But searches are there, we have to target it. Like that, there are plenty. Virtual topic where there is an anxiety of information, but information is not easily possible. Low competition, low competition. 10th planet, 500 people are searching. May sound very less number. But let me tell you guys, 500 per month is forever. People will continuously search till this planet exists. So one time hard work and forever if you are getting an income, then why not? Your effort is only one time, but income is recurring month after month. Like this, I'll catch some 1000 keywords and then get 5 lakh traffic. That is better for me. Look at this 8th wonder of the world, lengthy keyword, virtual topic, and 5000 people are searching. Then why not? Competition is low. Number of results in Google has to be low. Like this kind of innovative thinking is required. This is the only area where SEO is difficult. But let me tell you, if you are little sharp also, even with average IQ skills, you will find definitely lot of good keywords. Much better keywords than what I am showing you here. It may take time, let it. This is the only place where time will be taken. In fact, 50% of the time in SEO, big experts of SEO says that 50% of the SEO time should be dedicated on what topic SEO has to be done. The remaining 50% do SEO. So your start may be little late, doesn't matter, but the start should be really good. Well start is half done. This rule applies definitely for SEO. Like that, more topics, virtual topics. Can't believe it, but people search like that. When will I die? And like that, sites are available. Whenwillidie.com. What is life after death? These questions are unanswered and very difficult to answer them. That's why pages are limited. But you give your own theory, your own philosophy. People search even like this. You won't believe it. Predict my future. A lot of people search. Who am I? 50,000 people are searching. Can you imagine? Do you think those people don't know who they are? They are testing Google. Google has got answered for everything. Let me see what is he answering for it. With that mindset they are searching. But doesn't matter, we want searches, that's it. Whatever may be the mindset. But here, I must say that there is a movie also of Jackie Chan on Who Am I? So maybe some searches, majority of the searches are on that movie. But I'm just trying to tune your brain in what direction you need to think to come across good keywords. Every keyword, look at here, competition is low. Every keyword low competition. This is called as keyword research. Road less traveled, unknown place. Choose those topics for SEO. Drop and drop of water will make an ocean. I never said the search volume should be high. I said search volume should be good. Good in the sense compared to the number of results in Google, compared to the competition. Let's say example, pilot training in Hyderabad. Searches may be only 1,000 per month, but it is still a fantabulous keyword because the fees for pilot training is 15 lakh. Even if one conversion comes out of 1,000 people visiting the website, there is a 15 lakh business in the website. So understand the value of the keyword, that is called as a good search volume. So a keyword with even 500 searches per month can be good, provided the number of results in Google is totally deserted, provided the keyword is lengthy, competition is nil. Likewise, do ghosts exist? People will keep searching it forever. What hard work you are doing today, even your next generation will get the income. Google may go, some other search engine will come. SEO is permanent. Remember this word. SEO is permanent. Search engines may be temporary. So Google may go, Yahoo may take over. Yahoo may go, some local Indian search engine may come. The SEO rule is same for every search engine. We are targeting Google to rank on top because in Google only the competition is high. In Google only there are maximum number of results. But automatically that you are ranking on top in Google, Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, Yandex, like that 80 search engines will be ranking on top. If I teach you how to drive an Innova car, do I need to teach you the other cars? They are like toys for you. That is how it is in SEO. You are preparing for IIT examination, you are automatically prepared for MSET and IEEE because you are choosing some tougher examination. So this is how it happens. Rather, there may be some keywords which you can think of better. Who you say I am. See, 500 people are searching. Rather, directly sites addresses are also available. So this is one category of keywords. Predict my future. Just by taking date of birth, write something about it. Maybe right, maybe wrong, doesn't matter. We want people to come to our page, see the ads, that's it. Whether they are satisfied with the content or not, that is secondary. They have come to our page, we have made money. A lot of people share this even in social media site like Love Meter, Predict My Future Meter, something like that. Very easily your topic can go viral in social media. 5,000 people are searching. This little bit e-commerce topic because there are some people who even charge like the pundits and all that. Now this topic is a good keyword, is a rare keyword because this is something relevant to astronomy and those pundits and all, they have no knowledge about IT and IT guys don't believe in astronomy. That gap you need to fill. Take the advantage. Second category of keywords is futuristic topic. Think about a topic which is definitely going to have huge search volume in the near future, which may not be having right now. What is the point? Today that if we begin our SEO for the topic which is going to come in the near future, because that time the sites will come, new sites will come when the event is approaching. But we have started a preparation in advance. Imagine in a running race, if I allow you to start the race 5 minutes early, you have a lead, there's a full chance that you can win the race easily. So advanced preparation of SEO for the topics which are about to come in the near future, like for example, Cricket World Cup. Already the searches have started, but they are going to explode as the event is approaching. So you should begin now itself. The Samsung Galaxy S13. I have a student, Vamshi Krishna, who only targets examination results 1 year in advance. He constructs a page on check exam results 10th class, 12th class, CBSE, ICSE, SSC, then MSET, only examination results in India and advanced preparation. And most of the time before that event, he'll be performing in the top 3. He's a maths professor, by the way. Cricket World Cup 2023, 5,000 people are searching. Samsung Galaxy S13, 500. So this 500 is temporary. But as the event is approaching, 500 will become 5,000, 5,000 will become 50,000, 50,000 will become even 5 lakh. The searches for 2019 World Cup crossed 5 crore in a single month. This time it should be more than that because it is after 4 years. The internet penetration and population growth and the craze, all these things will play the role. So don't go with the present search volume. Think about what the search volume could be in the near future. You are starting much in advance. Already you will be getting these visitors, and this visitors graph will improve. So that is another category of keywords which is futuristic topic. Like that, there are plenty. I am just trying to give you sample keywords for you to think about more such keywords. Then comes the topics which are meant for, say, Telugu medium or Hindi medium students who are not comfortable with English at all. What kind of topics are recommended for them? I told you 2 things. Either they can maintain an image based website, let's say Mehendi. Even in Mehendi, you know, there are 4 varieties. How people search: M-A-H-A, M-E-H-E, M-A-H-E, M-E-H-A. And the search volume is high for all the 4 spellings. Because these are feminine topics and Indian topics, that's why the competition is low. Rangoli designs, nail art designs, tattoo designs. This is for the image based topic, those who cannot write even a single sentence. And look at the search volume, guys. Look at that. 1 million to 10 million. 50 lakh people are searching every month on this. Competition low. That's what we want. Likewise, regular topic. This is the image based topic. Now let us coming to the regular topic. We have baby names, amazing topic. Hindu baby names, Muslim baby names, baby boy names, baby girl names. Only on baby names you can maintain a website. Then I told you there are some topics where copying is allowed. Nursery rhymes, poems, National Anthem of India, Hanuman Chalisa, Gayatri Mantra, like that. Because mythological topic, mostly the competition will be low. Look at the search volume. Nursery rhymes, 5 lakh people are searching. National Anthem of India, lengthy topic, can be copied, but I told you dilute the copied matter by giving the introduction and by giving the meaning of it. Look at this Hanuman Chalisa. 50 lakh people are searching, guys, believe it or not. This cannot be manipulated. This is a data coming directly from Google server. Gayatri Mantra, 5 lakh. So topic which are least concentrated by the people. First of all, these are the topics which are mythological, spiritual, and only local to the country, and over that with the religion. That is why the competition is low. Number of pages are low. Foreigners don't even think about this topic. So choose such categories because these topic searches will never end, guys. That is very important. The best part I like in SEO is, one is SEO is permanent. Search engines will go and come, but SEO will exist forever with the same formula. There's nothing like upgradation. Today you have learned SEO and after 3 years you have to require upgrade. No. 80-90% is same. That 10-12%, whatever the changes are happening, I'll give you the sources. By that you can get the updated knowledge. 90% is same. What I used to do 10 years back, even today 90% is same. Only 10% changes have come. So do not worry about anything that may impact the rank because of the algorithm updates and all that. Your site will be insulated from all that if you are following each of my guidelines. So one time hard work and benefits forever. Imagine, in which business do you have that? Even insurance business, you will make the premium every year till that guy is surviving. Here, even your next generation will get the income for your hard work. Population will grow, internet penetration will increase. By that, all these numbers will increase more. I told you, not even 20% of the world's population is using internet. Not even 20% of world's population, not even 10% of India's population. So all these figures are set to rise like anything exponentially. Not only recurring income, increase recurring income. And if dollar rate rises, jackpot. Of course, for Indian topics not, but for international topics. Alright, so next set of keywords. Topics for e-commerce. I've told you we are also going to see how to maintain an e-commerce site in WordPress. If you want to maintain a site in e-commerce, make this point as a stamp that never create generic website like Flipkart, like Amazon, like Paytm. We cannot fight with them. They offer the prices sometimes at discount under it. They burn cash. They have got lot of funding. We can't compete with their prices. And why would anyone buy in our site when there are branded sites available? Then what to do, sir? Lenskart, FirstCry, these are product specific websites. If you look at the sale of contact lenses, only Lenskart has got 70% share. That means if 100 crore worth of sales are happening for eyewear and contact lens, 70 crore is happening from Lenskart, rest 30 crore is happening from all the other e-commerce giant like Amazon, Flipkart and all that. They may be 100 times bigger than Lenskart, but when it comes to lens category, Lenskart is a king. Likewise for baby products, FirstCry. Likewise for cosmetics, Nykaa. Like that, you should also maintain an e-commerce site which is dedicated for a product category. And if you ask me personally, my 3 favorite categories for e-commerce site is footwear, books and watches. Mobile is the worst category I can think about because of heavy competition. Now why books? A person who is buying a book from footpath, he is buying a book from a railway station, he will not bother to buy a book from your website if it is available for a lower price. And books have got a margin of nearly 25, 30, 35%. And some books like say Chetan Bhagat books. Then likewise You Can Win book by Shiv Khera. Rich Dad, Poor Dad book. And lot of books which are relevant to stock market. I myself have ordered lot of books online. The Secret Book by Rhonda Byrne. How to Influence Friends, Win Friends and Influence Them by Dale Carnegie. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, okay, Poor Dad, not Poor book. Chetan Bhagat books, you may not be having an idea, but a lot of people are crazy about his books. Look at the search volume, because this is a trend now emerging in India. See, all the Western culture will come into India, only thing is we are just lagging by few years. More than 30% of the people in Western countries have a habit or hobby of reading books. Look at that, 50,000 people are searching for Chetan Bhagat books. Some 20-25 books, only 90% of the searches are there with popular titles like Half Girlfriend, 2 States and all that. Imagine only through books how much of business you can make. Competition is high, I agree. There's little bit of hard work required, but compared to mobile, not even 0.1% hard work required. Maybe overnight your site will become famous as how Lenskart is for eyewear, your site could be for books. So this is an e-commerce topic. Footwear. Why footwear? On an average, a human being uses 20 pairs of footwear in his lifelong. Wear and tear, lot of wear and tear. And a person buying buying a shirt, t-shirt or any trouser and all, we are worried about the fitting. But footwear, we know what their size is. Through zooming effect, we can see what is the appearance, brand name. Some footwear will cost 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 also, and there are a lot of orders coming for it. So people are ready to buy that online. Margin is 30, 35, 40, 50% also. And no dedicated site as such. Bata is there, but that is their regular business product, but not a dedicated site on footwear which is offering all the brands in one place. Socks, footwear, hankies, like that. You know Jay Lalita, how many footwear pairs she had. So a lot of celebrities purchase online. $750 pairs of slippers, 10,500 saris. Okay, leather celebrities have a lot of them. This is common in celebrities. Some of them have even more than 1,000. They use only once, use and throw kind of thing. Even there are people, believe it or not, there are people who even search for second hand footwear. Unbelievable but true. Maybe poor people, middle class people and all that. So a lot of such business is going. If you go to Chor market, we say Chor market, but that is a second hand market. Half of the shops will be on footwear, used footwear, stolen from temples and all those public places. But even at 50% price, they are able to sell. People are buying it. So this is another category which cannot be neglected, cannot be ignored. And then watches. Believe it or not, there are some watches which are so expensive which will cost you crores and being sold online. I'll show you right now. A lot of people believe the most prestigious brand in watch is Rolex. Rolex is the most basic brand in the prestigious category. The most expensive watches are of Patek Philippe. Very classical design. If you look at the design, you say, what is this watch? But the values for the brand name, very old company. Look at this. These are all duplicate watches. Don't go by this price. The original ones. Now you may be wondering who buys these watches. I told you, search the sales are like 10, 20, 30 per year. Some are expensive than even Mercedes, than even big cars. So the sales are only like 10, 20, 30 per year, and most of these are big business guys, big business tycoons, celebrities, big sports stars, in order for gift and all that. 29 lakh 40,000 watch guys, 26 lakh 16,000, 25 lakh 18 lakh, 21 lakh 20,000, 15 lakh. These are not Patek Philippe, these are other brands. 33 lakh. So there must be people purchasing, that's why he's maintaining a site. Even one sale you get per year, you'll make your income, much higher income. This is an Indian based site. He hasn't mentioned the price here. Okay, no price mentioned here, but if you go to other websites, you may find it. Okay, here it is. These are all Patek Philippe watches. Starts from 7 lakh, 3 lakh, 22 lakh, 16 lakh. When you click on this, 51 lakh. Look at this. Free shipping, it seems. unit stands 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 2.5 crore watch. Look at the design. It does not have any kind of metal like gold, silver, platinum and all. Only for name this is the price. 44 lakh, 57 lakh, 51 lakh, 1 crore, 2 lakh. There are plenty. So there are people who order it. Of course, less number, but I told you even one sale you get it, you have taken out the income for several years. 30% margin, imagine. So think out of the box in case you want to have an e-commerce site, create product specific website. So these are all the various keyword ideas that we have searched for. I have only provided you the hints or the sample keywords. Now in this direction, when you think, maybe you'll come across keywords which are even better than what I have stated. A small homework I wish to give you before I wind up with the class. Think about a keyword where my condition is only one, very simple but difficult to find keywords, of course. Searches should be more than results. For any keyword, we are able to see the number of searches in the keyword planner tool. That figure should be higher than the number of results in Google. Condition is only in this statement that I have given, very simple for me to give, but very difficult to find such keywords. Till now, it has been a record that 100 on 100%, no student could find even a single keyword. But I will show you some of the keywords there. That's all, guys. For any kind of queries, please make use of the chat window and the audio control. That's all from my side.